Oh, just get the net. Oh yeah. My God. Today we're going to a lake and we're gonna try to catch some catfish and carp with pack bait. If I lose this, it's never coming back though.
Drop it in the sand. Could use a bigger one, but maybe the fish can see it. I don't know.
That's it.
Someone get it. Someone get it.
Bluegill, perhaps? That's how you do a hair rig, guys.
Only for like half of it.
Just do it, just do it. Anything?
It's a bluegill. Look at him.
Oh, dude. Oh my God. Dude. Yo! I don't even want to.
I don't want to get him tangled. Hey, someone get that rod holder. I'm gonna put it right there. It's not even on.
Oh, dude, that was a big fish. That sucks.
So I gotta put the herring back on. Alright,
Nice.
let's go.
Oh, that's a fish, baby. Slow day.
Yep.
Finally got a fish. And let's stick him in the water before we weigh him too, so he can breathe.
Nice.
Not too much. Alright. See. Nice, guys. Go ahead. Just real, keep reeling. Oh, he's not.
I don't have it.
Oh, there is a
Oh
fish
my
on there.
God.
Oh, it's a bluegill.
Hey, we all kind of bluegill.
How do you cook it?
Well, I wish it was a carp.
It wasn't a carp?
People do that all the time. Like, they go on a game.
No, I'm saying the one that was. Yeah, hey, something.
It's like casting far out was the move today.
Yeah. Wow.
Basically, right after we cast it out, we got a fish, and now we got another.
Nice.
Yeah, another little one, but he's a little bigger.
That's way bigger, yeah. Nice.
What about
Yeah, let's weigh this guy too, because he's bigger.
Yeah.
He's way bigger.
I bet he's a pound.
I
for
feel
sure.
it. Don't get hit by that.
Just unhook him first. Okay. It'll be easier to get.
Stop it. Oh my gosh, he's head shaking.
All right. Let's give him a little more water. Grace, can you get the rain thing ready while I read? And you see that? All right, you want to hold him now? Caden's got his fish. Pretty nice, actually. Let's let him go. Little boost. Nothing.
Wow. Watch over there, by the way, guys. Just keep your eye out for over there.
Still on?
Yeah. Oh, I came off.
Got it?
No. Dude, no way. I don't have it. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Yeah,
Go, just get the net.
It's hard.
Really?
Oh,
Oh my god.
You gotta get close, man.
I'm reeling.
Yes!
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Yes, sir. I thought I didn't have him, bro. I got the hook out, dude.
Look at that.
Oh,
Oh shit, keep him there.
Oh my god.
Ah. So I'm gonna get like a wide view of this, and I'm gonna get you. Already?
Get that
Hold
nut
on.
undone from the thing so I can give him water before we weigh him. But I want to weigh this guy. Oh shit, how did that even happen?
Look when the fish was like rolling around.
Oh my god. Okay, we gotta weigh this guy before he dies. Oh,
How does it feel?
it feels so good. First common carp.
Let him go like down nicely.
Oh my. 3.
Wait, just leave it. 3.24. Let's
One.
just, that will take that.
3.2, let's just say that. 3.3, 3.2. What's it be? Ah!
Oh man.
Oh
Beauty.
my god. That carp wasn't even that big either.
That's crazy to think about, though.
I know, that thing absolutely took it. Yeah, recast all of them. See if we can get a fourth. You should, after work tonight, you could start editing it and send me that clip for sure. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Send me the clip of that carp, dude.
What a slow day that turned into a madness. Oh, that's like.
Anything?
Yeah. Might be a carp.
Really?
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh
Okay,
god.
Let's go. Oh, it's a carp. Here. Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
Don't let him come on. Come on. Yeah! Okay, you got one too. You got it? Oh, no. It's alright. It's alright.
I shoot my head.
Oh, shit. Circle hooks his hat.
Take your hat off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
There we
landed this
go.
nice common carp. We're
Yeah.
gonna release him.
Oh, dude, I
Bleeding a little bit.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure it looks
Oh
good.
dang. Oh! Wrong way. And he's off.
There it goes. This hat's gonna be ruined.